Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your GameSir Nova Lite controller to your PS5 in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. The GameSir Nova Lite is not officially supported by PS5 because Sony only allows the licensed controllers for direct compatibility. So you can't actually connect this controller directly via USB or via Bluetooth. So even if you are trying to pairing it, the PS5 will not recognizing it as a usable controller for gameplay. So to make this work, you will need a compatible adapter. So you can use Cronus Zen. So you need to plug the adapter into the PS5 using the USB port, and then you can connect your GameSir Nova Lite to the adapter. You can either use a USB cable or Bluetooth depending on the adapter setup. Then you can follow the adapter setup instructions. Finally, once everything is set up, you can test your controller in the PS5 menu or a game to ensure that everything is working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.